Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC. And while you're there, we'd really appreciate if you left a like and a subscribe. We are back out here in Freeman, Missouri. This is our 4-step full scope foundation repair project. This is where we're going to be straightening this back wall back to vertical. We're going to be installing 4 King Pier 2s under the footing to ensure that footing is at its correct level elevation. Once the wall is straightened and the footing is piered, we will seal all of the cracks that we can get to. You can see one right here, with a combination of epoxy injection and then a final coat of NP 150 polyurethane. And then the final step will be the installation of our 5 4-inch steel H-beam wall braces, and that's going to ensure that the wall remains vertical. So we are just about finished with the major excavation. This is a very long wall, so we have a lot of digging we need to do on a project like this. So we have just a little bit of cleanup on the corners, and then we wanted to wait until our main crew got out here to finish up the excavation behind the AC unit. Pretty much between these two wing walls, you can see here, that's where the majority of the water is getting in. Very likely, from what we've been able to see, just based on the amount of cracks on this side of the wall, most of that water has to be where the wall and the floor meet, so coming in from the base of the wall. What we're going to do though is make sure that when we seal everything after the wall is straightened on the outside, we're also going to seal where these the two walls meet, just to make sure we can get everything as waterproofed as possible. So we should have everything done outside by tomorrow, and then starting next week, after the homeowners get some stuff moved out from the inside, we'll be able to start taking down that drywall and get our interior set up in place with the 6x6s and the and bottle jacks, and we can start straightening this wall back to vertical. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can find these on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.